In the previous video, we have explained that how to implement this Boolean expression using a multiplexer, and here we have taken a 4x1 multiplexer in the previous video. In this video, we will see how to design that with a 8x1 multiplexer. If in the question nothing is written which multiplexer you have to use, you can take any combination, that will be correct. So, A, B, C are my inputs. I will take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I am just writing the truth table. 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So, this is my input, and according to question what is the output? So, we will be implementing the same one. So, 0 1 3 4 7. So, 0 1 3 4 0 0 and 7. So, this is my nothing but 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So, this is just for understanding purpose. Okay. So, next is what I need to design this according to my multiplexer. So, I know in multiplexer there will be one output, and these values will be, if 0 0 0 is the input, output will be I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7 is there. So, this is 1. Okay. So, from this what I can understand here, so when ABC is 0 0 0, okay, output is I0, but my actual output should be 1. So, I will connect I0 is equals to 1. Okay. Next, when input is 0 0 1, according to question my output should be 1. So, I will connect I1 is equals to 1 here. Next, whenever 0 1 0 is there, my output is equals to 0. So, I2 is equals to 0. Similarly, for 0 1 1, that is 3, the output is equals to 1. So, I1 is 1, again I4 will be 0, I5 is 0, sorry, I4 will be equals to 1, and I7 will be equals to 1. Okay. Now, I know that if this will be designed with a 8x1 multiplexer and know the input values. So, how to do this? It is very simple here. So, just take a 8x1 multiplexer. So, here I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. So, there are 3 selection lines here, in this case S0, S1 and S2 is there, one output is there. So, we have two values, one is 1, let me take other color. So, one is 1 and the other value is 0. Okay. So, I have to draw it little bit above, fine here. So, what is the value of I0 here? So, I0 is equals to 1 here. So, I0 will be connected to 1, then I1 is equals to 1. So, I1 will also be connected to same 1, then I2 is equals to 0 here. So, I2 will be connected to 0, then I3 is 1, I4 is 1. So, this 1 connected to I3 and it is connected to I4. Okay. I5 and I6 are 0. So, this 0 will be connected to I5 and I6, again this one will be connected to I7. Okay. So, now how does this work? If the inputs are, let us say 1 0 1, then the output should be 0 whether it is happening or not. So, 1 0 1, 1 0 1. So, 1 0 1 means which line will be selected? 5. So, that means 5 is selected. So, y equals to I5. So, what is the value of I5 now? I5 is connected to NOT gate, that means it is y5 equals to 0. So, here you have to write 1. Okay, the output is 0, it is verified, this method also works there. So, if in the exam nothing is mentioned, you can take your own method, and it will be written that design a 8x1 multiplexer using a 2x1 multiplexer. So, that also we will see in the next video.